Welcome to Free Learning. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to solve the hash name error in Excel. So what does this hash name error mean? So this means that you have an error in your formula. So for example, here if I check my formula, you can see here that the name of the function that I should write is if. So if I write it correctly and click on enter, you can see that the problem is solved. Also here I have a problem, so if I fix the name of the function, I still get the hash name, and the problem here is because of the cell. So there is no D0, so there is D, there is D13, and now the formula is correct. So I have resolved all the hash name errors. So in order to remove the hash name errors, so we have to look in errors in your formulas. So make sure that the names of the functions are correct. Also the cells are written correctly. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching.